Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Wikipedia pages as PDF and mobile. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here's how you can do it. Launch a web browser on your device and navigate to the Wikipedia website. Use the search bar on the Wikipedia homepage to search for the page you want to download as a PDF. Once you're on the desired Wikipedia page, look for the download button. Once there, tap on the PDF, then choose your preferred download location of the PDF. So I choose Documents, then hit Save. Once the download is complete, you can just access the PDF file from your device's Downloads folder or through the notification panel. And that's how to download Wikipedia pages as PDF and mobile. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.